It's Michael driving the boat. Not even looking where he's going. Do you like driving the boat, Michael? Is it better than driving a car? Is it better than flying a plane? Is it better than Mario FIFA? Is it better than chocolate sandwiches?
Can you send that by email, Jimmy?
Yeah.
Don't send it to Maggie.
Michael, will you say hello to Maggie? Say it again louder.
Shout it, shout it. Hi, Auntie Maggie!
You have to say. You have to say it to the other side. Say it into there.
Oh, Michael, say it quickly.
Oh, he just went shy.
You want to go around the bay again, are you?
Yeah, but I'm trying to steer around. I'm trying to steer around a 3-way.